Today, I'm reviewing the XTOOL D5S OBD2 Scanner, a powerful diagnostic tool designed for car owners, DIY mechanics, and even small repair shops. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly who this scanner is for and whether it's worth your money. Product features. The XTOOL D5S is far more than a basic code reader. It's a full diagnostic and reset tool that works on vehicles made after 1996 and supports over 90 vehicle brands, including gas, diesel, SUVs, and light-duty trucks. It covers the four main systems: engine, ABS, SRS, that's airbags, and transmission. You can read and clear trouble codes, view live data, and even display up to 4 real-time data graphs at once. That means you can track things like RPM, coolant temperature, O2 sensor data, and fuel trims to pinpoint issues accurately. One of the biggest highlights is its 16 reset functions. This includes EPB reset, battery reset, throttle relearn, steering angle reset, TPMS reset, ABS bleeding, injector coding, crank sensor relearn, and more. It even supports CAN FD for GM vehicles and FCA AutoAuth, which is huge for modern cars. The D5S also features a 5.45-inch high-resolution touchscreen, Wi-Fi updates, no subscription fees, and free lifetime software updates, making it a long-term investment. Pros and cons. Pros: covers engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission. 16 powerful reset functions. Live data with graphing support. Free lifetime updates, no hidden fees. Wide vehicle compatibility. Easy to use for beginners, but powerful enough for pros. Cons: some reset functions are vehicle-specific. Compatibility must be checked before buying. Not designed for heavy-duty commercial trucks. Overall, the XTOOL D5S OBD2 Scanner hits a sweet spot between price, features, and usability. It's perfect for DIY car owners, weekend mechanics, and small shop owners who want advanced diagnostics without paying dealer-level prices. If you're tired of guessing what that warning light means or paying just to get a diagnosis, this tool can save you serious time and money. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest car tool reviews, and check out the XTOOL D5S using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember, the more you know about your car, the more money you keep in your pocket.